In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project and navigate to the page where your image lives. On the canvas, click directly on the image. If your first click selects a wrapper or a column, click again until the image itself is selected. You can confirm you've got the image by checking the selection label in the top left of the canvas or the navigator. With the image selected, open the Element Settings panel. This is where you control behavior, like links. We'll come right back here in a moment to set the actual URL, but before that, let's prepare a simple interaction so the image clearly behaves like a clickable element. Switch to the Interactions panel. Click New Interaction, then choose a click trigger. Add an action to the first click state. You can keep it minimal. Think of a tiny visual nudge so users know the image is interactive. The goal here isn't an animation sequence. It's to register the click behavior cleanly so the element feels like a link. Now go to the Style panel, open the Layout section, then expand Variable Modes. Click Add to create a new property, and add it again if prompted to confirm. Choose Anchor Name from the available properties. This sets up an anchor reference you can use for in-page linking. If you plan to jump to a specific section on this page, you'll use a matching anchor value for that target section. Keep note of the anchor value you intend to use because you'll reference it with a hash symbol in the link field. Return to your image on the canvas and open the link field in the Element Settings panel. Type the destination you want: a full URL for an external page, a page within your site from the dropdown, or an in-page anchor using the format Had Your Anchor. Double-check spelling. Anchor links are case-sensitive and must match exactly. If you're sending visitors to another website, enable Open in New tab so they don't lose their place on your site. For internal pages and anchors, leaving that off is usually best for smoother navigation. Head back to Settings to review your choices one more time, then click Publish. Once the publish completes, visit the live site, click the image, and confirm it takes you exactly where you expect. If anything doesn't behave as planned, revisit the image selection, the link field, and your anchor name value to ensure everything matches. That's it. Your image now works as a clean, accessible